Hey guys, made another update, 1.4.0. This one's gonna be for, this was actually a pretty big update. It's for, it completely changes the operator system, the operator precedence system. So before, it would just, all that it did to, measure the precedence of an operator was it just checked if the byte code was a higher number. So that was a pretty bad way to do it, because not only could you not really do very much with it, but there was other, like, all you can only have one you can't have groups of operators that all have the same precedence. They just all have a higher precedence or a lower precedence. And also, what was I gonna say? Also, you could only go left to right, and so to fix that, I made a system. I made the operator system. So if we go over here to settings, and we go down here, as you can see, we got precedence groups. So how this works is you can make multiple groups of precedences that have multiple operators, and so right here in the first one, we've got one that goes left to right and has 10 children operators, and each of those will all have the same precedence, rather than all just being their own precedence. But anyway, let me show off some of the new operators I've added. So I've finally actually finished the increment operators and stuff. So if I do int a equals 1, print int a, and then a plus plus, and then print a, you'll see that it increments it. You can use this to do like loops that are really fast. So you can do while for in a or in I equals 0, I is less than 20, and then I plus plus, and then you can print I. It works the same way that it always would work. But also there's some more operators. There's also shorthand operators like plus equals or minus equals. So we can do an a, and then we're gonna do a equals actually let's do like 2, and then print a, and then a plus equals 4, and then do that, and as you can see, it's 6. And you can do all the crazy stuff that you could normally do with like formatting. So you could do like a plus let's do like a equals a equals 3, and then like a plus equals plus a plus equals 4, and then print that. And as you can see, it goes from the right to the left. So it adds 4 to a, which makes 7, and then it adds a to a, which it multiplies it by 2 and makes it 14, because 7 times 2 is 14. But yeah, you can do all kinds of crazy stuff. Oh yeah, I also fixed the break functions. They're like they're not buggy anymore, and I mean they might be, but as far as I can tell right now, as far as I can tell at the moment, they're pretty stable. I'm gonna make I'm gonna make a file, test mega, test mega, and we're gonna do I'm gonna show you just how how I'm gonna actually show off something that I don't think I've properly showed off yet. And oh yeah, by the way, I've changed the labels. So whenever you want to do a label, you put label at A or in the name of the label, and that's just so that I can add more like precursors in the future, more pre-compiler commands. But anyway, I forgot what I was doing. Shit. So, oh yeah, I want to show off the functions. Okay, so A, and then we're gonna stop, and we're gonna do like print 1 or something, and then we're gonna wait 2, and then print 2, and then we're gonna return 5, and this is gonna show that it interrupts operations, but then it returns back to them, and it does that with operation stacks, or not operations, with operation saves is what I meant to say. So if we do print, or we could do load test mega. Wait, did I like not save that or something? Function A. Oh no, what happened? Print A. That's not good. What? Oh no, it was working before. What happened? Test. Oh, I did test S. What the fuck is test S? God damn it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now as you can see, it returned back to the operation that I was previously in, which was the print, and and it printed 5. Wait, is that right? I don't remember. Oh yeah, it printed 5. Okay, so we're gonna also just to really show this off, we're gonna do +1. We're gonna do 1 plus A, and then we're gonna do that again. Load test mega 1002 1000. There we go. And as you can see, it printed 6 because 5 plus, yeah. And so it interrupts the operations and it returns back to them, which is cool. Oh yeah, I'll actually like show some of the like how this. I'm gonna like modify this a little bit just to show you guys it. So right here we have the standard PEMDAS. You do like multiply, divide, then add, and subtract. But just to show that this is like basically automatic, I'm gonna change this. Well, first I'm gonna show how it is normally. I'm gonna do like a control test. So normally 1 is low, or subtract is lower precedence than add. So if I do 2 plus 2, then it will add the 2 and the 2, and then it'll subtract it from 1 because the subtract precedence is lower than the add precedence. But if you wanted to, if you would rather subtract and plus to have the same precedence, then you could do that. So we can change this to be subtract operator, and we can just get rid of this. and then we're gonna go up here and change the number 19. And then so now we just load it again, and this time it will subtract the 2 from the 1 first, because it goes from the left to the right. So then that will be -1, but then whenever it adds that 2, it'll go back up to 1, so it'll be 1, as you can see. And this system makes the process of adding these operators really easy now. It's gonna be really a lot better. It'll be a lot faster to actually work on this if any of you guys end up being like a MegaScript developer in the future. Just remember that now there's this, and now it'll be a lot easier to mess with operators. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya.